Hello friends, today we will review another book, The War of Art by Stephen PressField. Break through the blocks and win your inner battles. Lot of time when we are trying to create new project, create some video or write some book, there is lot of inner battles are going within us. To accomplish these projects, we have to win these inner battles. What are these inner battles? And how we can win those inner battles. This is a very nice book. First it defines what are those inner battles are. Whenever we start a new book, create some new project or create a video for YouTube channel, we face resistance. This resistance is invisible. We have fear how people will judge us, whether we will succeed or not succeed. One very good point I liked from this book was that a lot of creative people and fundamentalists have same problem. We are asking this question to ourselves: who am I? What is my place in this world? In older time, we used to live in tribes. Whole our time was spent as part of tribe. We were hunting, working in fields. In this modern life, we have time to be alone. And we don't know how to handle this time where we are by ourselves. We feel bored. We can use this time to do something creative, but we choose to procrastinate, put it off, work this off tomorrow, ask question about our existence. So another thing I liked was like resistance is a fear. So what is the solution? The solution is when you're trying to create some work, you have to become professional. There are amateurs. Amateurs are boggled down by resistance, by procrastination, by perfectionism. And there are professionals who get the job done. Who are these professionals? These professionals are the people who show up every day. They show up on the work, what may ever be the outcome. They take payments for their work. They prefer work. They prefer working on techniques, whereas amateurs just do some work for the fun. They are doing software coding on Saturday, Sunday for fun. They are writing books on their time for fun. The definition of amateurs in Latin is love. But as Stephen Pressfield says, these people, they don't love their work enough to make it full time. They 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 don't love that much their work, whereas professionals who are doing their work full time personally, they don't professionals don't take failure personally. Professionals are not bogged down by fear. Professionals understand that you will feel fear. Lot of great actors, they did great role. When they were asked why did they took that role, they said this role scared them. If they were given some role which way they were comfortable, they did it. So that is what it takes to become professionals. You will be working in areas where you have not worked before. You will be uncomfortable. There would be fear. You will feel the fear and still do it. One final tip which I really liked from the book was he discussed there are two type of tendencies: territorial and hierarchical tendencies. In hierarchical tendencies, we judge our value by our position in the order of the hierarchy. Oh, I am a vice president, I am a manager, I am a director. So that is our value in the system. And there's another way that is called territorial. Territorial, you own a territory. You create some work to create your territory. So he recommends the creative people should be territorial instead of being hierarchical, which makes sense. What are the disadvantages being in hierarchical order? So if you are a manager, vice president, all you will be doing is trying to get promotion, to dislodge somebody above you, and trying to protect your position from the people who are reporting to you. So in the hierarchical position, you are doing work for others. You care how other people view you. You are doing work for to get you are doing work to get validation from others. Whereas in the territorial, you are creating some work. So you are a leader, you may create some books on the leadership, you may create a YouTube channel on software programming or leadership. You are known in the industry for your some specific work, and that gives you more freedom, that gives you more opportunities. So how do you find out whether you are territorial or hierarchical in the nature? He gives you a test. If you are the last person on the earth, would you will be still doing what you are doing? Maybe you are creating some software project, you are writing some book, you are creating videos for YouTube channel. So if you are the last person on the earth, would you still do it? If you are hierarchical, you would not do that, because if you are when you are hierarchical in the nature, you are doing work to get validations from the others. Whereas if you are territorial, you are doing work for because you love it. He gives the example of Arnold Schwarzenegger. If it is if it is the last person in the world, still he would go to the gym and we would be doing workout. So it's a very great book for all creative people, software professionals, where we feel a lot of resistance from accomplishing our work. We feel a lot of procrastination, and we would like to be professional, what it takes to be professional, and finally very good tips how to be a successful professional. So I really enjoyed this book. First time I did not understand much, and second time I found a lot of value this book. Very deep, it's a very deep book, very popular self-help book. So friends, if you like this video, like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel for your regular updates. Also connect with me on LinkedIn and Twitter, especially LinkedIn if you like small summaries of the video. I will be posting a lot of small summaries of the video on LinkedIn. Thanks again.